Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Camaro. Recent body up restoration, guys. Gorgeous car. Finished in Victory Red. It's got the black vinyl interior. Pretty set of 15-inch stock 5-spoke Camaro rallies. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Clean South Carolina car. Really fun, nice car, guys. Pretty paint on the car. Did a real nice job restoring it. 4-speed, 350. It's got aftermarket AC. Like I say, just a fun, nice old 71 Camaro. Car's out of South Carolina, good solid South Carolina body. And not a whole lot to really nitpick on it, to be honest with you. It's a pretty car. I saw a couple little marks in the paint you could nitpick, but other than that, gorgeous car. Front and rear spoilers. I mean, everywhere you look, this car is just nice. Glass is nice. Again, paint's really slick. Good looking car, man. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, new rubber. Those wheels are beautiful. Great driver. Car's nice and tight. Trans is tight. Shifts out real good. Look how pretty those wheels are. Car's nice and clean underneath. Yeah, this car's just got a real good look to it, man. Real bright, vibrant red that just jumps off the car. Non-matching numbers car, but it does have a 71 date-coded 350 in it. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got a Victor Jr. intake on it. You can see the billet air cleaner and valve covers. Power steering, power disc brakes, air that blows ice cold. It's got a set of coated headers on it. Probably see them better on this side. Yeah, there you go. HEI distributor. Pretty car, man. Shoot the video, guys. Can we get you to park over there? I like the way they did this too. This is they hammer coated that. You can see they did nice little touches there. I thought that was pretty cool. Good looking car. Sport mirror. Again, all the door rubbers and stuff are real nice. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car. The new door rubbers, all the interiors new carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats. Stock Hurst shifter, factory dash. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Headliner's nice. 70,960. That's the original mileage to the car. They say there's not very many miles on the Resto at all. You can see how nice the dash is. Retrosounds radio, that's that little cord hanging down is your Bluetooth plug-in. Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock 10 bolt, you know, like a factory gear, like a 308. That's it marked there. It's spackle coated in the trunk. Looks like they got some air shocks on it. There's air nozzle here. Car's nice and clean underneath. As always, got some pictures posted for you at the bottom of the car. Wind is just a whipping here. A little bit of a touch-up mark there. Again, seats are nice. Gauges are nice and clean. Parking brake works. AC blows nice and cold. Should have to just push that lever down. I know it works. I had it out earlier today. Fuel gauge works. All the gauges down there working, yep. With the good old pressure. Again, parking brake works. Brake lights, yep. Put it in reverse, Dale. No on the reverse lights. Good sound. I'm saying nice car. I know the radio works. It's got the. Oh, you guys got to stop it at a channel. Oh, I think you shut it off. Yeah, I got it on earlier. I know that. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's just. I think it's scrolling. It might be because it's up against the building too. Wipers. Have a turn signal working. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Pretty car. Yeah, just wait till you're clear, Dale. You know, I saw a little, yeah, I saw a couple, and I don't know if that'll come off. I remember seeing a couple little marks up there. Like I say, just little tiny stuff like that, man. Good car. Have a great day.